Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome to your new class 7. Dear students, I am your science teacher, Miss Rubina. This is the title page of your new book, Science Fact File 2. Better this book fulfill the goals that have been determined for science education in Pakistan. First goal is to encourage to develop critical thinking and become confident analytical thinker. Second, enable students to use science and technology to acquire new knowledge and to create opportunities to solve problems so that they may improve quality of their own lives and lives of others. And to prepare students to critically address social, economic, ethical and environmental issues related to science and technology. Beta, this is the contact list of our science fact file 2. Unit 1, heating and cooling. This unit is related to physics. Unit 2, plants and their systems. This unit is related to biology. Unit 3, the periodic table. This unit is related with chemistry. Unit 4, magnets and electromagnets. This unit is also related to physics. Unit 5, fit and healthy. This unit is related with biology. Unit 6, simple chemical reaction. This unit is related to chemistry. Unit 7, sound and hearing. This unit is related to physics. Unit 8, respiration. It's all about energy. This unit is also related with biology. Unit 9, acids and alkali. This unit is related with chemistry. Unit 9, light. This unit is related to physics. Unit 11, transport in humans. This unit is also related to biology. Unit 12, variations and classification. This unit is also related to biology. Unit 13, the rock cycle, rock and weathering. This unit is related to earth science. Students, we are going to start online classes due to the pandemic condition of COVID-19. You should adopt precautionary measures. Beta, it is your responsibility to take care of yourself and your family. Pray to Allah to save us from this disease. And during online classes, you should focus on your studies. Today we have to start chapter number 1, heating and cooling. As soon as we touch a hot object, we immediately pull our hand due to reflex action. Hotness is about the amount of heat energy that an object has. You have often seen spark from firework. This is the spark from firework. It may be very hot, but it will not hurt very much because it does not contain much heat energy. And this cup of tea may not be very hot, but it can still burn our tongue because it contains a lot of heat energy. Our next topic is temperature and heat. Temperature and heat are not same, they are different. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. Temperature is measured by an instrument known as thermometer. And there are 3 different scales of temperature by which we measure the temperature: degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. But mostly the temperature is measured in degree Celsius. Heat is the transfer of energy from a high temperature object to a low temperature object, and it is measured in joules or kilojoules. This universe is made up of matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is known as matter. Matter is made up of very tiny particles known as atoms or molecules. These tiny particles are in a constant state of motion. The more energy the particles have, the more they move about, and if they lose energy, their movement becomes less. As a solid cools, heat energy is removed. The particles will move more and more slowly until they stop moving altogether. The temperature at which particles stop moving is called absolute temperature. So we can say that absolute zero is the temperature at which material has no heat energy. This temperature is minus 273 degrees Celsius. For scientific work, it is convenient to use temperature scale that starts from absolute zero, and this temperature scale is known as Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale starts at absolute zero and it has degrees that are equal in size to the degrees on Celsius scale. This is the comparison of Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. This is Celsius scale, and minus 273 degrees Celsius is equal to 0 Kelvin. On Celsius scale, the melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius, and on Kelvin scale, it is equivalent to 273 Kelvin. Boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, and on Kelvin scale, it is equal to 373 Kelvin. Next, we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. Explain why a spark from a firework will not hurt you as much as a cup of hot tea. The answer will start from this line. A spark from a firework may be very hot, but it will not hurt very much because it does not contain much heat energy. However, even though a cup of tea may not be very hot, it can still burn the tongue because it contains a lot of heat energy. Question number 2. What is heat? What are units of heat energy called? The answer is heat is the transfer of energy from a higher temperature object to a lower temperature object. It is measured in joules or kilojoules. Question number 3. What is temperature? How is temperature measured? Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. It is measured in degrees Celsius. Temperature is measured with a thermometer. Question number 4. Describe how the movement of its particles changes as the temperature of a substance changes. The answer is the particles of a substance move with respect to the amount of energy they have. At higher temperature, the particles move about very vigorously. As temperature falls, this energy is lost and the particles move more slowly. Question number 5. What is absolute zero? The answer will start from this line. The temperature at which particles stop moving is called absolute zero. Absolute zero is the temperature at which material has no heat energy. This temperature is minus 273 degrees Celsius. Question number 6. What is the Kelvin scale? The answer will start from this line for scientific work up to this line, Celsius scale. Thank you.